Let's now look at the bearish crab pattern. As in the previous examples, we're identifying our key support and resistance zones from the daily or 4-hour chart. In this example, we've identified a key resistance zone from the daily or 4-hour chart. Price starts to rally up towards our key level. Here again, the pattern can be found anywhere from a 5-minute up to the higher time frames. I personally like to trade them on a 5 up to sort of a hourly, maybe a 4-hour chart, depending on the risk. Price then retraces, falling short of our key level. On this retrace right here, we look to label it X to A. We're then looking for a retracement of the XA swing, and here again, very specific retracement, looking for a 61.8 Fibonacci retracement. We'll label this point B. We're then looking for a retracement of the AB swing, and that retracement can be anywhere from a 38 retracement to an 886 Fibonacci retracement. We'll label this point C. What we're looking for now is we're looking for a drive higher into our key resistance zone. So there's the drive higher, and what we're looking for is we're identifying this level up here before price actually gets there. You can see we have our extensions or projections. The XA projection or extension is a 1618. That's the key level that we're looking to trade from. And the AB or BC projection or extension, depending which way you draw it, is a 2618 extension or projection. And that forms your tight confluence right inside or at your key resistance zone. And that's the level we want to place our limit sell order with a very tight stop. We're looking for a move back into the range. So that's labeled point D. That's identified as with all the other levels. The point D is identified before price gets to the level. This instance, a sell limit is placed, and we're looking for a move back into the range.